So here are the ingredients for the healthiest and most delicious apple crisp ever. It's easy to make, so we start with 5 medium-sized apples, preferably Granny Smith, but all apples will do. And then a cup of rolled oats, half a cup of nuts, almonds, pecans, or walnuts. I'm using walnuts here. Then 3 tablespoons of plain water, a quarter cup of coconut oil, make sure it's in the liquid form, half a cup of almond flour. I make my own almond flour, it's easy to make, 2.5 tablespoons of maple syrup, and 2.25 teaspoon of the cinnamon, and also a quarter teaspoon of salt. All of these ingredients, I'm sure it's already in your pantry. I'll put a recipe below for easy reference. So let's do this. So in a bowl, mix the apples with the cinnamon, the water, and the maple syrup. Make sure at this time you also preheat the oven at 350 degrees. And then in another bowl, mix the oats with all the rest of the ingredients. Mix it well, and they're ready to be put in a baking pan for baking. So in a baking pan, we put the apples first in the bottom, then put the crumbles on top. Make sure that the apples are evenly covered by the crumbles. So now it goes to the oven for 40 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And this is the finished product. It's really good and delicious and crispy. I baked this before, and it's always a hit with my family, especially my mom. And it's really good paired with ice cream. And so here's my mom, my official tester. And thank you for watching. And be inspired, everybody. God bless.